To view the list of sent follow requests on Instagram, you'll need to take a few specific steps, as the app itself does not provide a direct option to see this information. Instead, you will need to download a copy of your account data. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and navigating to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Then, tap the three-line menu at the top right to access the menu options. From there, select Settings and Privacy, followed by Account Center at the top of the screen. Once in Account Center, scroll down and select Your Information and Permissions, then choose Download Your Information. Next, select Download or Transfer Information and opt for Some of Your Information. Under this section, scroll down to Connections and select All. Tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Ensure Download to Device is selected and tap Next again. At this stage, you'll be prompted to set a date range. Make sure this range includes the time frame during which you sent the follow requests, e.g., last year, last 3 years, or all time, depending on your needs. Once selected, tap Save. Choose the email address where you'd like to receive the download link and select the file format, such as HTML. Ignore the media quality setting, as it pertains to images, and then tap Create Files. Instagram will begin compiling your data, which might take some time. When it's ready, return to the Download Your Information section to find the file under Available Downloads. Tap Download and enter your account password. This will redirect you to your mobile browser, where you'll receive the download link. Once the data is downloaded, locate the Files app on your phone and access the Downloads folder to find a zip file named Instagram_ your username. Extract this zip file, which will generate a folder with the same name. Open the folder, then navigate to Connections and select the file labeled Followers and Following. Within that, locate the Pending Follow Requests file. This file will display a list of all sent follow requests, including the usernames and the dates they were sent. To cancel a follow request, click on a username to open their profile within Instagram, where you'll see the status marked as Requested. Simply tap the Requested button to cancel the follow request. That's the process for managing and canceling Instagram follow requests.